Hey YouTube, the Romanoki here. Guys, I want to show you something really cool. I've already showed you my 1994 Harley Davidson Sportster. We did a walk around on it. I haven't done a video on it, but I showed it to you in my last 50 BMG video. But look at this, guys. What is this? Let's have a look. I picked this up a little while ago. Get a drum roll going if I could get this tarp off. Ooh, what is under there? And of course, these straps are going to be an absolute pain in the butt. And they're going to snag on everything. I wouldn't expect anything less. Get out of there. All right. There we go. Guys, look at that. What we have is a 1970 Harley Davidson FLH Electra Glide. And man, ain't she pretty? Let's see what happens. Turn it on. Hit the choke. Woo, look at there. You gotta get the seat redone. It's still in good shape, but it's a little funky. Guys, ain't that pretty? Soon I'll be doing some videos on this. I'm going to adjust the clutch on it a little bit here in the near future. It's a little crunchy going into gears, and it's set for a while before I bought it, so I think I need to clean the clutch, at least adjust it. So I'll do a video on that, and then probably do some videos cruising around, maybe find some state parks, national parks, stuff like that. But guys, that is my new project. Not much of a project. She runs and drives. It's just a matter of getting on it and finding out where I want to go. Anyway, guys, thought y'all might get a kick out of that. I'm gonna let y'all go. We'll do some official videos on it. Until next time, guys.